My name is Ari. Welcome back to my channel, Life by Ari. Today is Face Mask Friday, where essentially you and I take care of ourselves a little bit and have a little chat about whatever. So this may be a long one. Let me just prepare you. So grab a beverage of your choice and let's go. You know, I did not think about this cream sweater on the white background, but I guess I'll be okay. Today's products that we're using for our face mask, this is my go-to, but it's the K-Bella Professional Hydrogel masks. Hydrogel eye mask. And I saw this in TJ Maxx randomly and I thought, hey, this might be nice. It's the Too Faced Pineapple Glow Moisturizing and Brightening Face Mask. Comes in a cute little tub. And it basically says to apply an even layer over your face. And much like any kind of mask, you leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Well, it says 15 to 20 minutes. And you're supposed to have brightened and refreshed skin. So let's see how this goes. I have my trusty little, I don't know, silicone applicator thing. Don't mind my hands, I just washed my face. Let's try it out. You know what it smells like? It smells like Just For Me. Do you guys know what that is? Like the hair stuff that you used to use when you were like younger, because it's like the only hair product with a black girl on it in the store. And I think it was made for kids with relaxed hair, because I think they have relaxers too. But this is what, it does not smell pineapple-y to me. It definitely smells like Just For Me, or Just For Kids, whatever the brand was. Ooh, it's cold. Good sign, good sign. Ooh, it feels good. Next time, I think I'm gonna try putting it in my fridge over there. See if that helps at all. And yeah, okay, so I'm just smoothing this really all over. It smells like hair product, which is like throwing me off, because I'm like, I'm supposed to feel luxurious. I'm supposed to feel like this is gonna work wonders, which it hopefully will. Hopefully the smell does not deter from what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, let us see here. Now they always say a thin layer, but I never know what a thin layer is. So, you know. I will say this is better than my last Face Mask Friday video, because your girl definitely had a sheet mask on for the entire video. And I was like, didn't think about how cute that was gonna be, did I? Okay. So, for here, I feel a little slight tingling, which I think is okay. If it starts to burn, then we got issues. What I did not think about was this mask you have to wash off, and the hydrogel eye masks, you just let it, you don't wash them off essentially. So I will put those on after I wash this off. Be like a two-step process. So updates in life, let's see. I am in my 3rd trimester. If you're new here, I'm pregnant. I'm currently 29, almost 30 weeks pregnant, and I'm in this 3rd trimester now. If you'd like to see pregnancy photos, just go to my Instagram, which you'll probably find them on my story. I'm just like a little hesitant to put them on my, I don't know, you know when you're pregnant and you're round, you just don't feel like taking pictures. At least that's me. I don't know if there are any other women out there like me, but I always see all these pregnant ladies like looking beautiful and like glowing, and I'm like, I don't even feel like that right now. So maybe I should invest in the after. Like after I'm pregnant, it would be nice to look back at these pictures. The things I'm loving about pregnancy so far and the things I'm hating about pregnancy so far. So let's start with the love list. I love that I have so much energy. This is so much different than my other pregnancy. I was very tired all of the time. I was also sleeping a lot throughout, like from 1st trimester to the last day giving birth. I was sleeping. Well, no, I wasn't sleeping, but you get what I'm saying. Well, at least right now, I have like 70-ish days to go, probably less if this baby comes early, but I'm excited about that because I had no clue. It's always exciting to me because you never know what they look like, so you have to like wait, and it's like anticipation building. That's like one of the fun parts to me because you can do like the 3D imaging or like the sonogram stuff, but even with my 1st pregnancy, I didn't quite know what she actually looked like. So it was still like a surprise. I am in a complete nesting phase right now. My poor husband has been pulling up carpet. I'm like on 20 though. I'm not like, oh, build the crib. I'm like, no, pull up this carpet and everything that goes with it, move this furniture. We're giving this furniture away. We're getting new furniture. I'm a little excessive with it, but I've enjoyed the process so far because I've mainly just had to stand on point. But I'm in complete nesting phase. One of my friends gave me some hand-me-down clothes. Well, I mean, hand-me-down has such a negative connotation, but nearly new clothes that her son didn't wear or like barely wore because he was growing so fast. So I've been like going through all of those clothes and all the tiny shoes. And yeah, so we're getting that room ready. Essentially, I don't know, well, it'll have to be like in the next 2 weeks before I get like really big and really tired. My feet have not swelled up yet, which is great, but I'm not gonna put it past the 3rd trimester because anything can happen in the 3rd trimester. I've just been putting stuff in place. I don't know, like I rearranged our room, which actually has been a really nice change. It's made our room seem bigger, and with the carpet gone now, it's like, refreshing. So, and we got a bigger dresser, so we have more room for all of our stuff that we didn't have room for before. This is essential. If you are pregnant and you're like, you have a belly already, you may be like feeling the backaches. If you do not have a pregnancy pillow, what are you doing with your life? Why have you not gotten one? My husband got me one for Christmas. He got me one in my 1st pregnancy as a surprise because I just could not get comfortable. They are like gifts from Jesus Christ himself, okay? It's like he thought about us. It's like, I'm sorry I had to curse Eve, but here's a little relief. Thank you, Lord. We're gonna update on the mask. So I'm feeling some like tingling on this side, not much tingling on this side, and I don't know if it's absorbing into my skin or is it supposed to? I don't know, let me read the directions. Well, apparently it's just supposed to completely reveal baby soft and brightened skin. So, I mean, my skin has not been the brightest. I haven't been really great at drinking water, but we'll see. We'll see. My neck is also getting so big. Okay. Now onto the things that I hate about pregnancy. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard pregnant women say this before, and I'm pretty sure it's like a varying like ratio of people that feel this way, but I just don't like when people feel my stomach without like any indication that you're going to touch me. It's just it's a weird thing. Like, yes, I have this like round protruding orb in front of my body, but it is still my body. Do you know what I mean? And then people like scratch it sometimes, like they're rubbing and they'll go like, ooh, and I'm like, my last pregnancy, I wasn't as irritable, but this pregnancy, I'm definitely very short and like, attitude-y, if you will. So I have definitely been like, and okay, that's enough touching. I have started waddling, which I didn't think I would do this early, but I am definitely waddling out here. I'm like, my belly's like sitting lower than my other pregnancy. So I'm like feeling it all in my hips, in my back. I feel like I slept wrong the other day and the whole like right side of my leg was not numb, but like, you know, like when you hit your elbow and you have like that funny feeling, like that nervy feeling, that's how I felt the other day. And it was like, okay, I could do without this. One thing that I really do hate that I've been doing is I've been drinking Sprite. And I don't know if you guys know, but soda is just not good for you in general. Besides the sugar, there are other things in soda that are just not great, but I've been like craving Sprite so bad. I've been drinking it. Can't really think of anything else I hate or love. My family's been really helpful. I think probably they know that I'll try to do most of the stuff that I want to happen by myself, which is probably why they are like extra helpful. They're trying to like anticipate me picking up things or moving things around, because again, this nesting phase is crazy. That's all I can think about as far as updates go. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures this week so you guys can see how huge I am. I am as big as I was when I delivered my daughter at 39 weeks, which is, for those who don't know, that's like 9 months pregnant. And so I am 7.5 months pregnant, the same size, which is like, this weight loss journey after this baby comes is not gonna be fun. Or I might snap back, maybe I might. Miracles happen, right? So this face mask is just not done quite yet, and that's okay. I'm gonna let it live. And then I'm gonna do my hydrogel eye masks. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll put them up on there as well. I'll make sure to put a video up of me wearing them on there and then give you guys my thoughts on it. Just because I've noticed like the skin, the bags under here, like post 25, y'all. Do something now, wherever you are. What if you're younger than 25? Make sure that you are putting eye cream on, y'all, for real, because it don't snap back quick. That's all I'm gonna say. What do I want to say? So I hope you guys enjoyed our time together. And if you did, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to my channel and see my shining face every time I put up a new video. If you have a face mask that you think I should try also, drop it in the comments, because you know I will try it. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. I will see you guys in my next video.